Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction to the Chart of Accounts feature. To activate this feature, go to the Settings section and select the Chart of Accounts tab. Click the Add New Account button on the right-hand side. You can then create a new account by entering an account code and an account name. If you work with subcategories, you can also assign the new account to an existing parent account. Once your accounts have been set up, you can choose how the data is displayed. You may display the account code only, the account name only, or both. In addition, you can lock the entire chart of accounts to prevent users from entering account codes that are not included in the list. If you have a large number of account codes, manual entry may become time-consuming. In this case, we recommend using our import template. You can find it under the Import tab in the Settings section. Simply download the spreadsheet, enter the relevant information, and send it to support@digitalpurchaseorder.com. We will take care of the rest. Once your account codes have been imported, they can be assigned to items within purchase orders, invoices, and Topsheets. Let's take a look at how to enter an account code in a purchase order. Simply create a new PO, navigate to the Items section, and start typing either the account code or the account name for an item. DPO will automatically display matching results in a drop-down list. The same functionality is available when entering invoices and Topsheet. Simply open an invoice in the Invoice inbox, navigate to the Item section on the right-hand side, and enter either the account code or the account name. DPO will again suggest matching results from your chart of accounts, allowing you to quickly assign the correct code. If the account code field appears grayed out, this means that you do not have permission to enter or edit account codes. In this case, please ask your DPO book administrator to grant you the necessary permissions. If you are a DPO administrator, you can update these permissions yourself. Simply open the Settings section, navigate to the Users tab, open the relevant user profile, and enable the appropriate account code permissions. If you have any further questions, please contact us at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or call us at +1 888 67254. We can also arrange a personal demo for you. Simply contact us via email, and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.